Seen and Sheen. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. In the previous lessons, we have covered 11 letters different forms. Today, with 2 more letters different forms, Seen and Sheen. Both have same forms and the only difference in the dots. Let's see letter Seen different 4 forms. This is the isolated form of Seen as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write it in the beginning of a word, start with the shape of Seen as it is, but don't curve it down because it needs to be connected to another letter after it. The middle form of Seen, it allows to connect before and after. So it will be like the beginning form, but draw a short straight tail exactly on the line before it to help any letter to get connected. The final form of Seen, we just draw a short line and attach it with Seen shape as isolated form. This short line will help any letter before it to get connected. If you understand well letter Seen different forms, it will be easy for you to know Sheen different forms because same shape. Let's see letter Sheen 4 forms. We know the isolated form of Sheen as we studied in level 1. If Sheen in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Seen, but with 3 dots as triangle shape, allowing to connect any letter after. If Sheen in the middle of the word, it will be same as Seen, also with 3 dots, allowing to connect any letter after and before. If Sheen at the end of a word, it will be same way of Seen, allowing to connect any letter before. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we'll mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Ha, Seen, and Dal. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will check the relation between Ha and Seen. If Ha in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Seen, middle form, can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Seen and Dal. Seen in the middle, allowing to connect any letter after. And Dal final form can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. All connected. Let's read it. Hasad. Hasad means envy. Another word. Sheen, Ra, and Ba. Let's connect these 3 letters. First, we will check the relation between Sheen and Ra. If Sheen in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Ra in the middle, allowing to connect letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Ra and Ba. Ra in the middle, not allowing to connect any letter after. That's why letter Ba, final form by default, will change to be isolated form. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Shariba. Shariba means drink. Another word. Kha, Sheen, and Ba. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between Kha and Sheen. If Kha in the beginning of a word, it can be connected to any letter after. And letter Sheen in the middle form can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. Now we will check the relation between Sheen and Ba. Sheen in the middle, allowing to connect letter after. And letter Ba final form can be connected to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Khashab. Khashab means wood. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. Sin, Ba, and Ha. Try to form a word from these three letters. Sheen, Alif, Ba. Try to form another word. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right. Get you guys next lesson. Salam.